Welcome to our back workout series. Today it's all about the top 8 back exercises. First up, pull-ups, ideal for upper back and lats. Pull yourself up until your chin clears the bar. Aim for 3 to 5 sets of 6 to 10 reps. Next, seated cable rows. They're fantastic for engaging your lower and middle back muscles. Aim for 3 to 4 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Moving on to back extensions. Utilize a Roman chair to target the erector spinae muscles along the spine. Aim for 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Next, lat pull-downs. Performed on a machine, this exercise is great for targeting the upper back. Aim for 3 to 4 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Moving on to dumbbell shrugs. Target upper traps. Stand shoulder width apart. Hold dumbbells, shrug shoulders. Do 3 to 4 sets, 10 to 15 reps. Next, reverse flies target rear deltoids, upper back, and shoulders. Improve posture and stability. Aim for 3 to 4 sets of 10-15 reps. Bent over rows. Use barbell or dumbbells. Bend, row toward lower rib cage to engage mid-back. Aim for 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Single-arm dumbbell rows. Target each side, row from floor to hip on bench. Aim for 3 to 4 sets of 8 to 12 reps. These 8 exercises will help achieve your fitness goals. Pavanputra is not just a fitness app. It's your personal AI fitness guru, available 24/7 on WhatsApp. Imagine having a fitness expert in your pocket, offering personalized recommendations tailored to your goals.